Welcome to Decor, where we celebrate beautiful homes with soulful details and timeless style. In today's video, we are stepping into the soft and graceful world of elegant French shabby chic kitchen ideas, a style that feels romantic, vintage-inspired, and wonderfully lived in. This kitchen aesthetic combines delicate textures, aged finishes, and charming details that make the space feel both elegant and comforting. It is a design approach that never tries too hard, yet always looks refined. From distressed wood to antique accents, every element tells a story of beauty, comfort, and quiet sophistication. A shabby chic kitchen often begins with a gentle color palette that sets the mood instantly. Soft whites, creamy ivory, muted beige, pale gray, and dusty pastel tones create a peaceful foundation that feels airy and welcoming. These colors help the kitchen feel brighter and more spacious while maintaining a soft romantic character. Instead of bold contrast, this style leans into subtle transitions and layered neutrals. A slightly worn finish on cabinets or furniture adds more charm, making the room feel personal and graceful. The goal is to create a space that feels fresh, calm, and beautifully understated. Cabinetry plays a major role in shaping the French shabby chic look. Instead of sleek modern surfaces, this style embraces cabinets with paneled doors, curved edges, and a gently distressed finish that adds character. Painted wood in soft tones can make the kitchen feel elegant without becoming formal or cold. Small decorative touches such as antique-style handles, glass front doors, or open shelving can make the cabinetry feel more inviting and visually interesting. These details help the kitchen feel collected over time, as if every piece was chosen with care and a love for timeless beauty. One of the most appealing parts of shabby chic design is the use of rustic surfaces that bring warmth and authenticity into the kitchen. Weathered wood, stone textures, ceramic accents, and lightly aged finishes all contribute to the cozy French atmosphere. A farmhouse-style table, a worn butcher block, or a marble-look countertop with soft veining can all fit beautifully into this design direction. The key is to let the materials feel natural and slightly imperfect. That lived-in quality is what gives the kitchen its heart, creating a space that feels inviting, gentle, and full of old-world charm. Open shelving is a lovely way to add both function and personality to a French shabby chic kitchen. Instead of hiding everything behind closed cabinets, this style allows beautiful everyday items to become part of the decor. Stacked vintage plates, glass jars, ceramic pitchers, woven baskets, and linen towels can all be displayed in a way that feels curated but relaxed. The shelves do not need to look overly styled. In fact, a slightly casual arrangement often feels more authentic and charming. This approach brings texture, depth, and a sense of quiet storytelling into the kitchen space. Creating this look does not require a large renovation budget, which makes it even more appealing. Many French shabby chic details can be recreated with simple DIY projects that add beauty without overwhelming your wallet. A fresh coat of paint on old cabinets, a hand-distressed tray, homemade fabric covers, or repurposed vintage containers can completely transform the mood of the room. Even small touches like changing drawer pulls or adding lace-trimmed accents can bring in the shabby chic spirit. These little projects make the kitchen feel personal and unique, while proving that elegance can absolutely be affordable. Textiles are another beautiful ingredient in a shabby chic kitchen because they introduce softness and warmth. Linen curtains, cotton table runners, embroidered napkins, and floral cushions can make the room feel more delicate and inviting. These layers help balance the harder materials like wood, ceramic, and stone, creating a kitchen that feels more complete and comfortable. Patterns should stay gentle and romantic, often inspired by faded florals, subtle stripes, or vintage-inspired prints. When used with restraint, textiles can bring a dreamy, effortless character to the room, making it feel like a graceful French countryside retreat. To complete the French shabby chic atmosphere, light should be soft, airy, and beautifully gentle. Natural daylight is especially important, so sheer curtains or uncovered windows can help the room feel open and fresh throughout the day. In the evening, warm pendant lights, delicate sconces, or a charming chandelier can add a soft glow that enhances the romantic mood. The lighting should never feel harsh or overly bright, because the beauty of this style lies in its calm, tender atmosphere. With the right balance of light, the kitchen becomes not just functional, but enchanting, peaceful, and truly unforgettable. One of the most captivating features of an elegant French shabby chic kitchen is the furniture itself. Instead of filling the room with perfectly matching pieces, embrace furniture that appears to have been collected over many years. A distressed farmhouse table, antique dining chairs with carved details, or a weathered kitchen island instantly create an atmosphere filled with history and charm. Small imperfections, faded paint, and naturally worn edges are not flaws but treasured characteristics that make each piece unique. Mixing old treasures with practical modern necessities creates a balanced kitchen that feels authentic, welcoming, and effortlessly elegant without ever appearing overly decorated. Storage can become one of the most decorative features in a shabby chic kitchen when every item is thoughtfully displayed. Replace ordinary plastic containers with clear glass jars filled with flour, coffee beans, pasta, or dried herbs. Store wooden cutting boards against the backsplash. Arrange woven baskets beneath open shelves, and display vintage enamel containers on countertops. Copper cookware, ceramic pitchers, and antique serving trays can remain visible instead of hidden away. This approach creates a lived-in yet organized appearance where functionality and beauty exist together naturally, allowing everyday essentials to contribute to the overall design instead of disrupting it. Accessories are the finishing touches that breathe personality into every French shabby chic kitchen. Rather than filling every empty corner, choose meaningful decorative pieces that complement the soft and romantic atmosphere. Vintage clocks, delicate ceramic pitchers, aged picture frames, dried lavender bouquets, lace linens, and small floral arrangements all introduce layers of warmth and character. Antique mirrors can also reflect natural light while making the room feel larger and brighter. Every carefully selected accessory adds another chapter to the kitchen's story, creating a space that feels thoughtfully curated while remaining peaceful, elegant, and wonderfully inviting for everyday living. Natural elements help balance the vintage elegance of shabby chic interiors by adding freshness and life. A small collection of herbs growing in terracotta pots not only provides practical ingredients for cooking but also introduces vibrant greenery into the kitchen. Fresh eucalyptus branches, olive stems, wildflowers, or simple white roses arranged in vintage pitchers create a soft organic beauty that perfectly complements distressed wood and antique finishes. Woven baskets filled with seasonal fruits or fresh bread further enhance the cozy countryside feeling. These natural details remind us that the most beautiful kitchens are deeply connected to everyday life and the changing seasons. One of the greatest advantages of the shabby chic style is how easily it welcomes creativity. You don't need expensive custom furniture to achieve an elegant French-inspired kitchen. Instead, transform flea market finds into beautiful statement pieces through simple DIY techniques. Repaint old chairs using chalk paint, lightly sand cabinet doors for an aged finish, sew linen cafe curtains, or refresh thrifted frames with antique-inspired paint colors. Even inexpensive wooden crates can become charming storage shelves with minimal effort. These affordable projects prove that thoughtful craftsmanship and imagination often create more memorable interiors than high-end purchases alone. A truly successful French shabby chic kitchen is not designed only for photographs. It is designed to be lived in and enjoyed every single day. Imagine sharing slow breakfasts around a rustic wooden table, baking fresh pastries on a quiet weekend morning, or gathering with family over homemade dinners in a space filled with warmth and comfort. Every decorative choice should support this welcoming lifestyle, where beauty and practicality work together effortlessly. When the kitchen encourages conversation, relaxation, and meaningful moments, it becomes much more than another room in the house. It becomes the emotional heart of the home. As we conclude today's inspiring tour, we hope these elegant French shabby chic kitchen ideas have shown that creating a luxurious atmosphere does not require an extravagant budget. By combining soft colors, vintage furniture, natural materials, meaningful accessories, and creative DIY projects, anyone can transform an ordinary kitchen into a space filled with timeless charm and welcoming elegance. Thank you for spending your time with us here on Decor. If these ideas inspired your next home makeover, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your favorite design idea in the comments below. Until our next home inspiration journey, keep creating spaces that reflect comfort, beauty, and your own unique story.